I've taken my audio from this. So my name is Stuart Wood, and once again I am testing out my audio because I'm not happy with the audio in this space. To this, without spending any money on acoustic panels. I'm going to show you how I did it. Hello, my name's Stuart Wood and welcome to this video. Now, as anyone who's subscribed to the channel will know, I've got a new office and we had major audio issues. The audio sounded like this. So my name is Stuart Wood, and once again I am testing out my audio because I'm not happy with the audio in this space. So I am testing out the microphone. Now, first of all, let me just state, I am no audio expert. I'm probably tone deaf. I can't figure out audio. And I'm struggling a lot to get any type of decent audio out of this space. And it's for the simple reason, if anyone's out there screaming acoustic panels, you are absolutely right. You need to put acoustic panels and sound treat the room. However, this is a rented house. I cannot do that. The roof leaks, the outside walls are very old, they suffer from condensation, so it's not practical to do sound treatment in this room. So previously, I would use this microphone here. So this is the Rode lavalier microphone, and I would plug that into the wireless Go system from Rode. Absolutely fantastic system. I can't fault them at all. The issue I have is I have birds that are nesting in the roof just up here. And this microphone picks up everything they do when they're running up and down the roof, when they're squawking outside, it picks up everything. Apart from that, it's a brilliant microphone. And I still use that. I still use that for interviews. I use it when I'm going outside. So what I did is I did some research and I found that a really good solution for home studios was the Rode Videomic NTG. So I dropped the dollar on it and I purchased it, and this is what it sounded like. So my name is Stuart Wood, and once again I am testing out my audio because I'm not happy with the audio in this space. Absolutely awful. You can imagine what I felt like. I'm like, what the hell is that crap? After a couple of videos getting ruined, which was one of them was the loud 25mm unboxing, that got ruined by bad audio, I started to think to myself, let's take some time off, let's get the audio fixed, because audio in video is king. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So I had the microphone boomed just above here, so I took it off there, and for this example, I'm just going to use the Rode Videomic. So if you are suffering from problems, you take your microphone off your stand, and then what you do is you say a sentence. Now for me, I'm saying, my name is Stuart Wood, this is an audio test 1, 2, 3. And then you place the microphone at different areas around you. So I started up here where it's boomed, where everybody says to boom it, and it sounded awful. And what I think is happening is my voice is bouncing off the desk, because it's a solid wood desk, it's bouncing up to the microphone. And I'm also getting an echo from the wall over there, which has nothing on it. It's bare because it's an outside wall and it's basically crap, it's falling apart. I took my microphone around about 50 different positions around the room saying the same sentence. I even placed it on the desk. I placed it down here. And what I found was the sweet spot is right up here to the top left-hand corner. Having it here pointing down, it's pointing towards the carpet, not the desk. So I have carpet down, that soaks up some of the echo. And also the main wall that's causing the echo is behind the microphone. And this microphone is a directional microphone, so it picks up very well from the front, but it obliterates anything from the sides and the back, which means now I'm getting nice, clean audio. So once I found out where the microphone needed to place, then I had to figure out a stand for it. Now you can get all kinds of different stands. I'll be honest with you, most of them are complete and utter crap. The cheap ones, cheap stands, they just don't even bother with those. So while I was researching a stand for a microphone, I was looking at the very thing I needed, and that was this. A monitor stand, dual monitor stand. And what I found was this particular stand. This is a dual monitor stand. It gave me the option of fitting a overhead camera to the other arm. So now I have a rig that holds my microphone and an overhead camera. So if I do photography over here, you can see what I'm doing. The only issue is the monitor stands are not designed to hold a microphone. Now, because it's not on video, it doesn't need to be neat. It doesn't need to look nice, if you know what I mean. So let's botch some ball joints onto this stand. So after a quick grind and weld, the ball heads are fitted to the stands. I have my microphone on there and I have my overhead camera fitted. and it works absolutely perfect. If I'm touching the desk, it's not shaking, it's not vibrating, nothing like that. It's absolutely solid. So now I have decent audio in my office space now without spending an absolute fortune on acoustic panels. So if you are suffering from the same issue I was having, which is a room echo or reverb, before you go out and spend hundreds of pounds on acoustic panels, just try moving your microphone around your office to see where the sweet spot is, and you might get lucky, like I did, and fix it without having to spend much dollar at all. But to me, this audio sounds great now. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Again, don't hold back. If you think it's crap, let me know. If you think it's good, let me know. Just so that I can get some feedback from you guys as to whether the audio is now better and whether you can listen to it quite nicely and it wouldn't put you off turning off the video. That's my aim, is to get the audio to a point where people don't switch off. So I hope this video is useful to you. If you are having issues with the audio, then I hope it's been useful. But I'm going to leave it there. Again, my name is Stuart Wood. I want to thank you for getting to the end of this video. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. And I found that a really good solution for home studios was and I think what's happening is, because the microphone is pointing away from the desk, it's actually pointing towards the floor, and I have a carpet on the floor, so it soaks up the sound with that. So now I've got a rig that then before you go out and buy, now first of all, let me just, and in the next video, we're going to be building this bad boy. Hopefully all my PC rows will be over in a couple of days.